Lesson 1C, we learnt about the quaver. The quaver can look different depending on where you find it amongst the other notes in the bar. Quavers like to be grouped together to form a single beat. Two quavers next to each other, like these two here, can form a quaver couple like this. This is how quavers are grouped on the beats. However, we cannot group these quavers like this because we want to separate the beats in this case. We don't want the group to form 1.5 beat here and half a beat there. The correct way to write this rhythm is like so. We also have the option of grouping 4 quavers in a row over 2 complete beats, but you have to follow the rules. 4 quavers in a row can only be grouped if they fall on beats 1 and 2, or on beats 3 and 4. If they fall on beats 2 and 3, we must group them in twos. In simple triple, we can group 4 quavers in a row on either beats 1 and 2, or 2 and 3. In simple triple, we can also group 6 quavers in a row. In Lesson 1C, we also learnt about the minim rest. The minim rest also has some rules about how it can be used in a bar. Just like a group of 4 quavers, a minim rest cannot be used on beats 2 and 3. It also cannot be used in 3/4 time.